Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips so if you can see the WhatsApp notifications and your Chuwi HiPad Max. So at the start, always check that you have deactivated the Do Not Disturb mode. So open the top menu, expand icons or not, and now just look for the Do Not Disturb icon. Now make sure that you have this feature deactivated, like here. Now it's, as you can see, off. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes you can just miss it, so check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and open the app info. Then open the permissions, and now make sure that you have in the permissions activated the SMS. After that, go back to the notifications, turn it on, and go to the additional settings. Now make sure that you have HiPad notifications activated here and here. After that, check the switchers, and all of them should be activated. After that, go to the mobile and Wi-Fi, enable the unrestricted usage and background data. You can also try to clear your WhatsApp application, so go to the storage and tap on the clear storage. Tap on it again, log in again to the WhatsApp and check the notifications. If you still don't see your notifications, it's time to reset the network settings, so open the settings, system, and reset options. Go to the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on reset settings and tap on this button again. And in the last step, try to update your system. So go to system update, tap on the check for updates. If you have any, just download it and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.